Lawyers representing Kilmar Abrego Garcia and the defense team representing the United States government met again today in court. Elected officials who represent the state of Maryland in local and national governments all joined in support, anxiously awaiting updates in this case.
Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him!
Chants and songs could be heard by supporters outside of the District Courthouse today in Greenbelt, hoping to send a message to President Donald Trump that Kilmar Abrego Garcia has not been forgotten about.
The Supreme Court ruled months ago that it was time to bring him home. Donald Trump admitted in an interview that he had the power to bring him home, but he hasn't done it yet.
Their actions were unlawful and unconstitutional. They themselves admitted it was done in error. And yet, after clear court orders to bring him back, Kilmar is still not home.
Maryland leaders joined the family of Abrego Garcia, reassuring that the fight to bring Kilmar home is far from over.
We're going to keep fighting until he gets brought home, right?
That's right.
That's right, because it's the right thing to do. And yes, it's about one man, but it's also about the Constitution of the United States. Donald Trump needs to be reminded that he is not bigger than the Constitution. The president has to obey the orders of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has spoken here, and it's time for him to follow it and bring him home, right?
Yes.
Inside the courtroom, the defense for the United States government defended their claim to use the state's secrets privilege, a request Judge Paulazinas has rejected due to insufficient grounds of use for this case, citing that there is no credible threat to the nation's foreign affairs. Lawyers representing Abrego Garcia pleaded with the defense to follow the judge's orders, which were to provide updates on Kilmar's status and the efforts done to facilitate his return. One thing to note from the hearing is that the defense is now stating that Kilmar's deportation was in fact lawful. Judge Zinnes was visibly and verbally in shock and confusion, as it was already ruled in multiple courts that his deportation was not lawful, which even the defense prior admitted in court that Kilmar's deportation was in error. Earlier in the hearing, Judge Paulazinas stated that the government's actions are actually inconsistent with their claim that they are doing everything in their power to comply with her orders. She even pointed to the Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem, who stated that that illegal alien, referring to Kilmar Abrego Garcia, will never walk free in the United States. Reporting in Greenbelt, I'm Bryce Parker.